Alright, good morning everyone. Let's take a look at the euro dollar today. Now, yesterday we said euro dollar, as it raised its head up, we need to keep selling. Okay, we continue to sell this currency pair. All you have to do is wait for it to raise its head up. Now, let's take a look. The weekly pivot, okay, when it comes back to the daily pivot, you short. Okay, let's check it out on the hourly chart as well. Now, it's got some room to pick up from here. You see, this is yesterday's daily pivot. That's the weekly pivot. Let's refresh the chart. Once it's refreshed, all you have to do is to see where we can sell again. Now, on our 1 hourly chart, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is the market goes back up here, daily pivot, the support line, we sell again. Obviously, you don't want to sell here. Alright, you wait for it to raise its head up and then you flow down. But obviously, we're sellers with the euro dollar as it raises its head up. Same thing, pound dollar. Alright, we had this level on Monday. I mentioned this scan line to be a point sell level also. So the market kept shorting from there. Yesterday we had an opportunity to sell from there as well. We can get rid of this line now. We can sharpen this now. Okay, as you can see, the system already draws its own lines, but you know, I like to do a bit of drawing myself. So the minute it raises its head up on your daily pivot, this is the 15-minute chart. Alright, let's refresh this by going back and forth. The minute it raises its head up again, you keep going short. Obviously, the weekly pivot here is going to be a target, and it might even just fall off right from there. But obviously, what we want to do is sell when the market comes up here. Or this is a clean signal already on your 15-minute chart. Okay, if the market comes slightly up, just a few points, you can sell there as well, because after getting a clean signal on the 15-minute chart, what do? You enter on the next bar anyway. Okay, so it's a good place to sell as well here. Alright, in short. Dollar yen. Now, dollar yen, this baby's got room to come down. Let me refresh the chart. Let's go back and forth. It's got room to come down a bit more. We want to buy this currency pair, that's for sure. Okay, and the place to buy it is obviously going to be this scan line here and the 96.50 area. So 96.50 and 96.10 area is the place to buy. You want your stop loss below the 95.70, which is the last target from the breakout of the support. Okay, so that's a good level to buy. That's a good level to buy. You can also wait for a U-turn on your 15-minute chart. That's not a problem at all. Right, so let's take a look at dollar franc. Dollar franc, okay. Now dollar franc, if you've been following it and if you're using the manual trading strategy, okay, obviously, you know, the breakout and the targets, you know where to get in and where to get out. Question here is this: what are we going to do now? Obviously, you're not going to buy here because that's stupid, because the market's already reached its first target. What you need to do is wait for a comeback. Now, oh, crikey. Okay, so the chart's already refreshed here, so it's not a problem. What we got here, this is the 15-minute chart. That is a clean signal. Okay, the market on the 4-hour chart broke out. 15-minute chart, clean signal. Your target's going to be up here. Okay, that's the first target up here, which is the high of yesterday, which is where the market bounced off yesterday. Alright, so that's where you need to go. Second of all, once it gets there, obviously if you entered, you take your profit. Okay, then that's the weekly pivot area. Then you're looking for a short to come back down in order to go long again. Why? Because the 4-hour chart is in the buy zone. Alright, so we constantly want to buy this currency pair now as it comes back, and you'll see that the market's in a rectangle. Alright, resistance, resistance, support, support. So it's a sideways market. So we keep on going up until it gets to where we want it to get to. Alright, gold. Now gold, okay, you'll recall we drew this line from ages ago. This line here, we drew this ages ago, like a few weeks ago, and we kept it there. Why? Because we understood that the market's going to come at one level here again. Alright, so all we have to do is now on gold. We're expecting the market to go down, but we want it to go up first before we go down. Alright, so where we need to go in order to sell, this is your 1 hour chart. Now today we're expecting the market to go to the daily pivot, okay, and the monthly pivot. Now if you know a bit of technical analysis, all you have to do, the manual trading system makes life so much easier. All you got to do is put this up here. You understand this is a good buy kiss area. The minute the market comes up here, you want to go short. End of story. Okay, on your 4 hour chart, it's all nice and easy. That is 1291, and that is 1290.60. So when it comes up here, it's going to be about 1291. Okay, if it gets up there, you sell there again. Alright, piece of cake. Hope that helps. Have a great day trading.